Finding the best budget electric fireplace can feel hard when cold nights hit and you just want soft heat that feels calm and real. The best budget electric fireplace gives steady warmth, gentle flames, and easy plug-in use that works well in many US apartments and small homes. I've used a few during long winter evenings, and I know which ones feel cozy and which ones fall short. After years of testing simple home heaters, I've learned what really brings comfort without high bills. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. R.W.FLAME 60-inch recessed electric fireplace. I installed the R.W.FLAME 60-inch recessed electric fireplace in my living room, and it made the wall feel warm and bright right away. The ultra-slim body keeps the look clean, so it fits well under a TV. I also enjoy the auto flame shift, which changes the light and makes the fire feel alive. This best budget electric fireplace spreads soft heat that feels nice and not dry. The remote is easy, so I can change colors from the couch. It warms small to mid rooms well. One small downside is the install takes some time, but once done, it feels safe and calm. If you want wide flame view and gentle heat without a big price, this one feels like a smart and cozy choice. Number 4. TURBRO Suburbs TS17 Electric Fireplace Stove. I use the TURBRO Suburbs TS17 compact electric fireplace stove in my bedroom, and it feels like a small, warm corner of comfort. The cool touch body makes it safe around kids and pets, which gives me peace of mind. I also love the flame-only mode, since I can enjoy the glow even when I do not need heat. This best budget electric fireplace warms small rooms fast and feels cozy on cold nights. The simple knobs are easy, so there's nothing to learn. It runs quiet, which helps me sleep. One small downside is the heat range is best for small spaces, not big rooms. Still, for safe warmth and a soft fireplace feel on a budget, it fits just right. Number 3. Xbeauty 50-inch electric fireplace. I set up the Xbeauty 50-inch electric fireplace under my TV, and it made the whole room feel modern and warm. The wide flame view looks bright and deep, which adds a calm glow at night. I also love the full color flames, since I can match the mood with soft red or cool blue. This best budget electric fireplace warms my living room with steady heat that feels gentle and not dry. The blower runs quiet, so movies stay clear. The remote is easy to use from the couch. One small downside is the install takes some time if you mount it in the wall, but once it's up, it looks clean and rich. If you want style, calm heat, and a modern feel without a big price, this one feels like a great fit. Number 2. Electactic Electric Fireplace 42-inch. I mounted the Electactic electric fireplace 42-inch in my living room, and it changed the whole mood right away. The ultra-real flames look soft and deep, so the wall feels warm even when the heat is off. I also love the whisper quiet heat, which keeps the room cozy with no noise at all. This best budget electric fireplace works well for small to mid-sized spaces and helps keep the air from feeling dry. The flame colors add a calm glow at night, which I enjoy when watching TV. The wall mount setup looks clean, though it takes a little time to install. Once in place, it feels safe and solid. If you want style, calm heat, and a modern look without a big price, this electric fireplace feels like a great fit. Number 1. ZAFRO Electric Fireplace Stove. I keep the ZAFRO electric fireplace stove in my home office, and it adds a warm, calm feel the moment I turn it on. The vintage stove look gives the room a cozy, old-school charm that feels great on cold mornings. I also love the 3D dancing flame, which looks real and soft, even when the heat is off. This best budget electric fireplace warms small rooms fast with steady heat that feels gentle, not dry. The compact size fits tight spaces with ease, which is perfect for apartments or bedrooms. It runs quiet, so calls and reading stay peaceful. One small downside is the heat range is best for small spaces, not big rooms. Still, for safe warmth and a soft fireplace feel on a budget, it fits just right. Final verdict. After using all of these fireplaces in real rooms, my top pick is the ZAFRO electric fireplace stove. It stands out as the best overall choice because it gives steady heat, a cozy flame look, and a compact size that fits well in most homes. It feels warm, calm, and easy to live with, which makes it great for daily use in bedrooms, offices, or small living rooms. For a special use case, the Electactic electric fireplace 42-inch is a smart pick if you want a more modern wall look with bright flames and quiet heat for larger spaces. It adds style while still keeping things cozy. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the electric fireplace that fits your style and need best.